Model for How a Hurricane Starts by Corey Burns. As crazy as it may sound, something as simple as little girls playing in the sand 4,000 miles off the coast of the eastern border of the United States can cause a natural disaster to be formulated in the Atlantic Ocean. How it happens is the wind or another force kicks the sand in the air and causes a disturbance with the atmosphere, known as an atmospheric disturbance that occurs in the jet stream. This form of disturbance is also known as an easterly wave. The easterly waves then develop into a cluster of thunderstorms. As the thunderstorms gain organization to them, they begin to rotate and intertwine with each other, which increases the strength of the storm. Storms get more vigorous and winds increase rapidly. Now the hurricane is formulated as it immediately starts to feed off the warm air coming from the ocean. The hurricane converts the energy that it formulated from the ocean into mechanical energy of the wind. When the wind reaches about 70 miles per hour, the eye of the hurricane forms. A tropical storm is classified as a hurricane once it reaches 74 miles per hour. The eye is the region of the hurricane with the most intensive heat and strongest winds, or in short, the most dangerous part of the hurricane. With that being said, we'll focus on how to figure out the air pressure at the eye of the hurricane. The given parameters here are our velocity, which equals 300 kilometers per hour, and our air density is 1.29 kilograms per meters cubed. Of note, density of air is approximately 1.22 kilograms per meter cubed, but at the eye of the hurricane, hot air and cold air collide, and the hot air is forced to rise over the cold air, which accounts for the air being a little more dense at the eye of the hurricane. Now, the total pressure equals our static pressure plus our dynamic pressure. Our dynamic pressure is a variation of our kinetic energy equation. The resemblance makes sense because kinetic energy monitors motion, and the hurricane is always in motion. Here we assume that our pressure does not exceed 1 atmosphere of pressure. With the information given, calculations were performed, and our value came out to be 97,000 pascals. The Sampson scale became the best known device that calculates the wind speeds of the hurricane. The speed of the winds in the hurricane is the entity used to signify how strong it is, with 1 being the weakest and 5 being the strongest. With this device, we can generally predict with great accuracy when a hurricane will reach land. And here are my references. Thank you.